Hi.
Hi, how are you?
We are here with a truly beautiful Berman beauty rock star who is going to share a question and answer with us. May I ask your age, please?
71 and a half.
You know what? You got to get that half in because not only is 50 the new 20, but you look like you could be in your 40s.
Oh,
you look
thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
And folks who did not see her before, she looked fantastic before, but she looks even better now.
Yeah.
What procedure did you have done with Dr. Berman?
I had the Mini Facelift.
Thank you so much for sharing that. And how long ago was your Mini Facelift with Dr. Berman, and how is your recovery been so far, and how quickly have you bounced back?
Okay, Monday it would have been 3 weeks. The first day I think was the most, it wasn't painful, but that was I guess the period of discomfort. But after that, after the second day, I really felt well. It's just, just getting used to the little puffiness, but it's been really remarkably fast.
Wow, thank you for sharing that with us. And you said 3 weeks ago. What has changed, if anything, in the 3 weeks since you had the Mini Facelift with Dr. Berman?
Well, one of the things is 2 days ago, I went to see my husband's cousins, and she and I are about the same age, and she kept looking at me and she said, how have you been doing? She said, you really look good. She said, what'd you do differently? And I didn't tell her. I said, a little rest and relaxation and a little something. So I never did tell her what was going on, but I could obviously see when she and I were standing together, we were in the mirror looking at something, that I really looked a lot younger than her, and my skin looked better than hers. So she's been asking questions. So I think that was my first experience as to how the surgery has, made me feel.
You look cute and sassy as heck. We love hearing that. Are you glad you had the procedure done?
Girl, absolutely. I am thrilled. I was very hesitant for a while, and I think I talked to you about it, because it took me, I guess, about a couple of months before I made up my mind, and I'm so glad I did that.
I am so glad that you shared that. The folks that are watching this did not see you before, but you're equally as beautiful now, and you really did turn back the clock with
Yes.
minimal downtime. It's amazing.
I can tell them. I had these permanent little indentations around my mouth, and I think I had that little gobble thing going on. I'm thinking about Thanksgiving and the pumpkin. But anyway, I had the double chin and the little wobbly thing developing, so yeah.
You really look incredible. Do you recall how you heard about Dr. Berman?
Well, I was doing my research, and I went online and looked at the reviews and I visited 5 surgeons, and from that I narrowed it down to 2. And actually I liked Dr. Berman's persona, his enthusiasm, his way of making me feel relaxed. He had no hesitations in answering all my questions, and he didn't make me feel like I had a stupid question. So I think it was the comfort, and then with you guys, you all are always so sweet and so wonderful. So yeah.
Oh, thank you for sharing that, and thank you for saying that. Dr. Berman is the best of the best, and I will stress that this 71-and-a-half-year young patient had the procedure done in office.
Yes.
With minimal downtime.
Yes.
What would you say, please, to someone that is on the fence about a mini facelift?
I would say, girl or guy, get off that fence. You only go around once, and I think it's just wonderful to be able to kind of push back the clock a little bit, and enjoy yourself while you have time. Because I was thinking maybe I was too old, but no, you're never too old.
You are never too old. There you have it, our 71-and-a-half, and I will stress the half-year young patient who has literally turned back the clock and looks fantastic.
Thank you.